Um, Basically, I could do nothing. Cleaning house, laundry, walking, spending time with my family was even difficult sometimes. It'd be like I can spend a little bit, then we gotta take me home. Um, I found out about Crovetti because I had had my other knee done by another doctor, and I wasn't going there twice. And my friends, all my friends that I talk to, oh, you got to go there. Oh, you got to go there. You'll love it. You'll love them. So I made the appointment apprehensively because I had a very bad experience with my first knee. So it took me 3 years. I got it done by the doctor here. Staff is incredible. Incredible. The doctor's incredible. The whole facility is just so amazing. It's just it's an experience that you've never ever had. I've never had in my life. It's always been the hospital and the grouchy nurses and everything. Amazing. I would do it over and over and over again. It was that amazing. So, and now we went to shopping with my daughter a couple weeks ago. She's like, Mom, I know you can't probably do a. Oh, I said, let's go. We went. We were shopping probably about 6 hours. And I don't shop, number one, but 6 hours and I never hurt 1 second. It is so amazing. So amazing. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm swimming. I'm spending time with the kids, the grandkids. I'm just doing whatever I can do, and helping my husband because he's got some issues. So now I feel I can help him better. So it's amazing. I love it. I recommend it to anybody.